Join me as I dive into a wild hypothetical scenario and explore what would actually happen if Earth's spin suddenly stopped. Something we don't even think about in our daily lives, but Earth is constantly spinning. Right now, as you sit and watch this, our planet is rotating at an incredible speed of about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. We don't feel it because everything around us, our atmosphere, oceans, and even us, is moving at the same speed. But what if, in an instant, that rotation came to a complete stop? The immediate effects would be nothing short of apocalyptic. First, everything that isn't physically attached to the Earth would keep moving at the same speed the planet was spinning before. That means people, cars, buildings, trees, and even the oceans would be hurled eastward at terrifying speeds. The further from the poles you are, the more extreme this effect would be. Near the equator, people and objects would be thrown forward at speeds that would make survival nearly impossible. This sudden halt in movement would trigger massive earthquakes across the entire planet. The Earth's crust is always shifting because of tectonic movement, but this would be on another level. Fault lines everywhere would rupture at once, releasing unimaginable energy. Cities would crumble instantly, and the impact would be so great that even areas not near major fault lines would experience violent tremors. And then there are the oceans. Right now, Earth's rotation helps keep water levels relatively stable, with the centrifugal force causing the oceans to bulge slightly at the equator. If the planet stopped spinning, that water would have nowhere to go but toward the poles. The sudden redistribution of the world's water would result in devastating mega tsunamis. Entire coastlines would be swallowed up as water surged uncontrollably in all directions. Low-lying areas would be completely submerged within minutes, leaving no time for escape. The sky itself would turn into a disaster zone. While Earth's surface would come to a stop, the atmosphere wouldn't. The air would keep moving at the same speed as before, thousands of miles per hour in some places. This would create winds stronger than any storm ever recorded. These wouldn't just be hurricanes, they would be atmospheric shock waves tearing apart everything in their path. Buildings would be ripped from their foundations, forests would be flattened, and anything above ground would be blown away instantly. And this is just the beginning. As we move forward in this thought experiment, things get even worse. The loss of rotation would completely alter the way the Earth functions, affecting its climate, magnetic field, and even its ability to sustain life. In part 2, we'll dive into what happens next, the long-term consequences of a planet that has stopped spinning and what it would mean for our survival. As the initial shockwaves from the Earth's sudden stop start to settle, we begin to see some even more long-term effects. While the immediate chaos would leave the planet in ruins, the consequences of no longer having a rotating Earth would be felt far beyond the first few moments. One of the biggest changes would be to the planet's atmosphere. Without rotation, Earth's atmosphere would